Welcome to QZenith Video Tutorials. Hello there, welcome to the Parrot Essentials course, and in this video we're going to download and install Parrot operating system in Oracle VM VirtualBox. So let's get started. Now, before going through the installation, I would say that you can go through this link where everything is mentioned over there, how you can do the settings, how you can change the settings, or maybe do some kind of configuration or modification in VM VirtualBox when you install your Parrot operating system in it. No need to worry about that. Either you can go through that link, or I'm going to do the same steps that is mentioned over there on that link. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I need to open up the VM VirtualBox. I'm going to minimize the window over here, and I'm going to click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. That opens up the VM VirtualBox. Now I need to create a virtual machine where you can install the Parrot security operating system. Here you've got the new to create new virtual machine, or you can just click on File, and then there you can see some machine tab, new. So click on machine, new, or click on over here, the new one. It's the same thing, and name the operating system that you're going to install. I would say ParrotOS Parrot, and then I'm going to install version 6.1, and this is the version that I'm going to install. It's going to install it on that specific folder. Let it be as the default. If you have got the ISO image, you can select it from here. If you don't have, what you can do is you can download it. I would say I'm going to again open up my web browser and go to google.com and then type ParrotOS Parrot OS, hit enter, and there you can see download link. Just right click and open up in new tab, and choose the right edition for you. If I see over here, you can see the live disk, the virtual, the IoT, Docker, Debian, all those kind of different type of packages where you can install it in different environments. If you are trying to install it in a virtualized environment, you can go for this specific link. I'm going to download the ISO file other than using the OVA file. I'm going to just click on live, and here you've got three options, and then exclude these two and then choose this one, the security one. Click on over here. So here you've got the AMD64 for AMD64 systems. I'm going to just click on this, and there you can see security edition, and you've got the links that you can download. If you click over here, you can see the ISO image. If you click on over here, you're going to see the ISO image, but it's going to be downloaded from the torrent website. And when you're done with your installation, you have got the credentials provided by the Parrot community. So the default username is Parrot and the password is Parrot. The version that we are going to download is 6.1 lorikeet. Release date June 5th, 2024. Architecture, it's AMD. I'm going to just click on download and then click on ISO image. And what it does is it's going to pop up here to download. I have got the Internet Download Manager installed, and it's going to show me the link over here. See? And it shows me that the size is 4.84 GB, and you can start downloading. So download Parrot Security 6.1, AMD64. I'm going to just click on start download, and it starts to download the specific ISO file, and it's going to take around 8 minutes to download this specific file that has the file size of 4.8 GB. Let us wait for a while, and when the download gets completed, we're going to actually install the Parrot operating system in the Oracle VM VirtualBox environment. So the file is downloaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart with the creation of virtual machine. So I'm going to just click on new, and then name the operating system as ParrotOS Parrot OS, or let's say Parrot-6.1, the version that I have downloaded. Let it be as a default. Select the ISO image, and I have got the ISO image as this. If you don't have predefined in the drop down list, you can just click on over here in the drop down menu and then just click on other and browse the folder or the downloads folder where the Parrot operating system is downloaded and select that. So I have selected it, and that's the Linux Debian machine. Totally fine. Everything's done. Hardware, I would say I'm going to set it as 4096 RAM, 4 GB of RAM. Processor, I'm going to provide at least 2 CPU cores. And hard disk, I would say 30 GB would be fine for me. So 30 gigabytes of storage space. So hard disk, again, it's going to create the virtual hard disk as 30 GB. I've set the hardware, the base memory to 4 GB of RAM and 2 cores. That's it. And I'm going to just click on finish. So here you can see the summary display. It's 16 MB. If you wanted to change that, you can do that as well. What you can do is right click on it, settings, or select it. You can go through that specific tab as well. And here you can see the name of the Parrot operating system. That's totally fine. Click on system. You have mentioned the memory. I'm going to just uncheck the floppy. Processor, you already have to find that as well. And display, it's 16 MB, so I'm going to just say 128 MB. Network, again, it should be NAT. Totally fine. Storage already mentioned as 30 gig. And then the Parrot operating system, we have already selected it. And then click on live CD DVD. So it's going to run as live CD, and then we're going to install it later on. So I'm going to just click on OK. I'm done with everything. And then you can just click on over here in the drop down list and then select normal start, or just click on start. Both are same. So powering up the VM, and wait for a while, and it opens up this specific page or the window. I'm going to just close that, and then I'm going to try and install first. Select try and install first. I'm going to hit enter, and now it's going to download all the packages from the ISO file to this specific virtual machine. Now it's actually downloading or initializing the operating system to be installed in this virtual machine. Let us wait for a while. Okay, you get this page, and if I'm going to double click on over here, it gives you the full page view. And what it says is this is the live CD. That means it is not yet installed in your virtual machine. So you can just use it and then test it. And if you power off, it's going to go down because it's not actually installed in your hard disk. Live CD means insert the CD, use it, and then power it off, and then eject the CD. That's it. So if you wanted to properly install the Parrot operating system in your virtualized environment, or maybe in your bare metal installation, that means the PC where no operating system is installed. I'm going to just click on install Parrot, and opens up the welcome page. Says choose the language, so American English would be fine. Click on next, and the location, it's going to be India, and click on next. US English, totally fine. Click on next. And here you've got some options over here. So if you have got multiple hard disk or storage space, you're going to get the information over here in the drop down list. But as of now, I only have got one virtual disk installed, so it has got 30 gigabyte of storage space. So totally fine. You select it, and I'm going to just click on erase disk. And here you've got another option, manual partitioning. That means if you know how you can partition, you can do it on your own. But as of now, if you are a beginner, I would say just select your hard disk and then click on erase disk. That means anything that's on the disk is going to be erased, and then it's going to install only Parrot operating system over there. Over here, you're going to select the swap with Hibernate from the drop down list, and then I will let you know later on what it actually is used for. And you can just click on encrypt system just to make sure that your hard disk is safe and secure. So password, and the hard disk is going to be encrypted. I'm going to just click on next. Full name, I'm going to say solved by Dave. So that's the username going to show on my system. The name of the computer is going to be solved by Dave PC. Choose a password, and then done. So log in automatically without asking for the password, I would say no as of now. I'm going to just click on next, and here you can see that all that you have configured or chose is going to show you over here in your summary page. So I'm totally fine with it. I'm going to just click on install now. Now the packages are going to be downloaded on your virtual hard disk to make sure that Parrot operating system is successfully installed. As of now, it's showing me 1%. of packages are being downloaded on the hard disk. So 5%, okay, that's cool. I'm going to pause the video and then we'll resume it when it gets completed. Now you can see that it's completed and it shows you restart now, done. I'm going to just click on done and now the system is going to reboot. Okay, it's starting with try and install, and we just need to get rid of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just remove the optical drive. So that means remove that specific disk, the virtual disk. So remove this from virtual drive. And what I need to do is again work with this try and install option. Restart the machine. Reset. And let's see if it boots up. Grub loading, welcome to Grub. It's going to be the passphrase. That's again the password that you have provided. While we were installing the operating system, we had the passphrase to secure your hard disk. So that's how you encrypt your hard disk for security reason. And you have provided the password, and it's now booting up without the CD or DVD or the ISO file. There you've got the login screen, and this is for the first time you're going to log into the Parrot operating system, which is successfully installed in your virtual hard disk. Password and hit enter, and I'm going to close this and this as well. And now you can see that installed Parrot is gone. So that means this is successfully installed in your Oracle VM VirtualBox. And waiting for a while, you're going to get this notification, the pop-up. Do you want to check for updates? I'm going to say yes to update, and then provide the password for super user, save, and then hit enter. Authentication is done and it's updating the operating system. So we're going to wait for a while. I'm going to pause the video and then we'll resume it when it gets completed. After the update, it's going to install on its own. Again, let's wait for a while. I'm going to resume it when it gets completed. Now you can see that the system is updated successfully, and you can see press enter to close. So I'm going to hit enter and we are done. All updates are completed. I'm going to just click on OK. I'm going to just click on menu tab and I'm going to close, shut down the Parrot operating system. And now I'm going to create the snapshot. Why do we create snapshot? Creating snapshot means if you're facing issues, you can always come back to the previous state. I can click over here and you can see the information over here. So details, that means it's going to show you all the details information over here. I'm going to just click on snapshots, current state, and then take one snapshot of the current state. So what I'm going to say is OS installed and updated. That's it. Description, you can define anything over here and then click on OK. There we have got the snapshot. Now we're going to work on over here in this state. And if you're going to face any kind of issues over here, you can always come back to the best state that you have created, the snapshot. This is it in this video. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.